Look at, I'm bringing my houseplants in. And this is the second one that's got a night crawler in it. I don't want it to die. So I'm trying to get it out. But it doesn't want to come out. It wants to go back in the plant. So I think I'm going to have to flip the plant over and get it out of there. Let's see if I can do that. Where'd it go? Come on. Well, it's got to be in there somewhere. So I'm going to find it, and then I'm going to let it loose. Well, what the heck? It's going to die if I don't get it. There it is. Okay. And it's alive. Okay. Now I'm gonna take it over and put it in where it can survive. We'll put it in right here. I think I'll go get some water and put on him. And then he can go free. Grateful for you and here at your service.